splashing water far and near. Underneath the sunny sky, they wave their tiny friends hello and hi. 2. 5 little frogs went hop, hop, hop. Across the lily pads they'd stop, jumping high and jumping low, where the gentle breezes blow. Ripples sparkled in the light, making everything feel bright. 3. 4 little frogs sang croak, 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 sharing every funny joke. Birds were singing in the trees, dancing softly in the breeze. Nature's music filled the day as the frogs enjoyed their play. 3 little frogs explored the shore, looking around for something more. Colorful flowers, pebbles too, covered with the morning dew. Every step brought something new in the pond where adventures grew. 5. 2 little frogs raced side by side, across the water they would glide, splash and leap with joyful sound, making circles all around, laughing as they played all day in their happy froggy way. Hey! 1 little frog sat very still near the pond beside the hill, watching butterflies drift by, floating gently through the sky. Quiet moments can be fun beneath the warm and shining sun. 7. Soon the little frogs came back, following the pond-side track. One by one they gathered near, full of happiness and cheer, together once again to play on a lovely froggy day. 8. 5 little frogs danced in a row as the golden sunset glowed, croaking songs and hopping high underneath the colorful sky. Every frog was full of glee by the pond beneath the tree. 9. Evening came so calm and bright, stars appeared in the night. The moon reflected on the pond, shining silver far beyond. Sleepy frogs began to yawn, dreaming softly until dawn. 10. 5 little frogs said goodbye today, but they'll come back another day. Clap your hands and sing along to the frogs' happy song. Croak, 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 hip hooray,